Breezy with showers today, but the outlook is warming up. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Tuesday, 20...
Fine, dry, sunny and warm.
Perfect.
But
Absolutely perfect. And what's it like for us?
I'm going to be looking at Glastonbury weather because people will be travelling to Glastonbury today, 200,000 people, and it starts tomorrow. And my very first job at the Met Office was working at Cardiff Weather Centre. Used to provide... The person who used to phone me up was actually the Glastonbury team. They used to phone me. Michael Evers used to phone me every year. And I was on the forecast for the wettest Glastonbury ever recorded with those torrential thunderstorms. So I feel like that was a pretty bad one.
Did you forecast the rain, though?
2 weeks
to help
out,
them prepare?
2 weeks out, he phoned up and I said, all of the models are saying fine, but there's one outlier that says there's a chance of torrential rain. And he went, and I was like, yeah, indeed, phone me back. And then every day, consistently, it got wet. So, yes, if you are packing your bags today, the 200,000 people heading to Worthy Farm for the Glastonbury Festival, as we head through the next few days, temperatures are set to climb up to 26, like I said, on Sunday for the Pyramid Stage, when Sir Rod Stewart headlines. With regards to our overnight temperatures, it stays relatively mild, but it will be windy, so can't go, just so you know.
There we go.
So
well,
you're in, Ed.
In that case, we'll have to have pested instead. Yeah.
Good morning to you. We already felt those blustery winds yesterday. Wind will feature heavily in the forecast for the next few days as it pushes bands of rain and showers across from the Atlantic. A very different setup from last week where we had high pressure that brought the dry, sunny, very warm weather. This week, it is low pressure, bringing cloud, wind and rain, but not every day interspersed. Nice if you're in the sunshine, but out of that wind. So let's see how things play out as we head through the next 7 days. And it's looking much more unsettled than it was last week and looking much cooler as well. So we look across the north of the UK, first of all. Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England. This is where our temperatures should be sitting, and we're still average or above, but I think it will feel much cooler than it was because of last week, and also because it's certainly feeling a lot windier. Percentage chance of rainfall. It is much more unsettled. We have our bands of rain around today. Tomorrow doesn't look too bad, but then it's rain or showers for the rest of the week into the weekend and next week. Fortunes further south of England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Well, temperatures are still a little above our white line. That's average, but they climb as we head through the weekend, and hence things turn very warm again into next week. Percentage chance of rainfall. We have some hit and miss showers for the next few days, but the outlook closer to high pressure is largely dry, so pleasant in the sunshine. Good morning to you. We saw a change in type of weather yesterday. It turned cooler, breezier with showers, and there is more of the same today. Outbreaks of rain for northern areas turn dry and brighter in the south later, but it will yet again be fairly windy. This is a pretty cloudy scene greeting us first thing this morning. Outbreaks of rain for England and Wales will lift and clear through the day. Northern England, Scotland and Northern Ireland, sunny spells and scattered showers, some gusty winds here. So temperatures in the north average, feeling cooler than that in the wind in the south, 24. Pleasant enough when you're in the sunshine, but chilly in that wind. That's it for me for now. There's plenty more still to come. You're watching Good Morning Britain here on ITV1. Good morning to you. Today, much like yesterday, fairly breezy with a lot of cloud, but things brightening up later in the south. This is how it looks first thing. A lot of cloud around. We have outbreaks of rain for northern England, southern Scotland, showers for the rest of Scotland and Northern Ireland, and some showers for England and Wales. So a bit of a wet start, wetter than we've been used to. Good morning to you. The weather today, fairly breezy and cloudy, much like it started yesterday. It will slowly brighten up in the south, though. This is the satellite showing a lot of cloud. The blue, the radar, showing a lot of rain, particularly for northern England and southern Scotland. And pretty much the northern half of the UK is looking cloudy and wet and pretty windy, not quite as gusty as yesterday, though. Temperatures in the north, 17 at best, feeling cool in those gusty winds. England and Wales turns drier and brighter, those temperatures into the mid-20s, feeling pleasant in the sunshine, but chilly in the wind. That's it for me for now. There's plenty more still to come. You're watching Good Morning Britain here on ITV1.